Meta has reportedly struck a deal to train its artificial intelligence models using content from Newsmax, a media outlet known for its far-right ideology and promotion of conspiracy theories. This development raises significant concerns regarding algorithmic bias and the potential for extremist viewpoints to be disseminated through large-scale AI systems. Experts are examining the ethical challenges of integrating such content into AI, focusing on misinformation and the need for safeguards to ensure transparency in the data sources used for training advanced models. News reports are focusing on the growing public concern surrounding the deployment of license plate readers. These systems, often used for traffic enforcement, have ignited heated debates regarding individual privacy and the potential for system misuse. Critics argue that widespread use raises serious questions about surveillance and data security, emphasizing the critical need for robust legal frameworks to balance public safety needs with individual rights. Meta Platforms experienced a notable decline in its stock price as legal challenges and high operational costs associated with artificial intelligence development weighed on the company. This market movement reflects investor concerns about the substantial financial burdens Meta faces from ongoing legal proceedings and the massive investment required to compete in the rapidly evolving AI landscape. Investors booked significant profits in AI and technology shares, leading to a decline in Chinese and Hong Kong stock markets today. Conversely, energy stocks rallied, driven by geopolitical factors. Rising tensions in the Middle East and sustained higher oil prices created increased demand, pushing energy stocks higher amidst broader economic concerns. The rapid expansion of corporate investment in artificial intelligence is contributing to rising consumer prices, challenging efforts to control inflation. The immense computational demands and associated spending by corporations are creating significant economic pressure on the consumer market. Economists are examining how these AI infrastructure costs translate into higher prices for goods and services, stressing the need for careful monitoring of the AI economy's impact on stability. Examining the history of U.S.-Iran diplomatic engagements reveals a tension between international agreements and ongoing regional conflicts. 60 days after a ceasefire, the situation remains volatile, highlighting the gap between formal political declarations and practical realities. Analysts are assessing whether high-level agreements translate into tangible cessation of hostilities, focusing on the disconnect between stated political goals and the operational reality of the conflict. The rapid development of artificial intelligence is fundamentally altering political alliances and fracturing party lines ahead of midterms. AI tools are enabling campaigns to identify new coalition opportunities, pushing candidates into unexplored political territories. Simultaneously, this shift is creating internal tensions within parties as lawmakers debate the ethical boundaries and regulation of these powerful technologies. AI firm Anthropic is reportedly on track to generate annualized revenue exceeding $65 billion ahead of its IPO. This significant financial trajectory reflects a growth rate more than sevenfold compared to the previous year, placing Anthropic firmly in the spotlight as a major player in generative AI and large language models.